Hey guys, Steve here, Vintage Tractors. Here's another WD-45 I've got for sale. I bought this from a John Deere mechanic, and it's a nice tractor. It's a really nice tractor, no question about it. I'd be proud to keep it, but problem is, I'm in business to move tractors. So here we go. We'll start it up. He took good care of this. It's been well kept. Still 6-volt system. So I'm gonna let her run a second. I mean, it's been a repaint, of course, but it's sharp. As a matter of fact, I probably am gonna show this at the fair. This is for sale for $3,500. Mechanically, it's perfect. He's even timed it the way the old time WD-45. This is me. I'm not holding the clutch down. I'm short legged. There we go. There we go. See, it went right in once I put the clutch down. I just short legged it here. So we're going to back out easily. Hopefully easily. I want to get a few pictures of this for you out where you can see it. Hopefully I don't smash my garden hose. And this is there's two of these that I'd be just proud as heck to own. I mean, I've got a lot of good tractors for sale, period. That's the way it is. But there's two of these that I would show, no problem. Actually, there's three of them that I would show. I've got that one up there for sale also. It's an old pull-in tractor. Mechanically, it's good. It's got a few oil leaks, but nothing that you even have to worry about. I mean, check it once a month. Got new oil change and filter on it. That one's $1,850. I bought that from a farmer I know who used it to pull hay wagons in the hills of southeast Ohio. And he did tractor pulls with it. Anyhow, that's $1,850, but this is the one I'm focusing on to show you right now. Let's see here. Yeah, let me get out. It's got the extra air filter on top. It's got, of course, you know, this one actually has a 3-point hitch. I mean, it came with the 2-point, but he had added a 3-point coupling there. So anyhow, I'm going to raise these arms so you can see, if I can get to them, try to get to them so you can still see what's going on here. There they came up. And he's got them adjusted differently, but there they're going down, see? And that's it. That's where he's got these adjusted. And the PTO works. I don't have it engaged right now because I don't need it engaged right now, but if you want to see it, there. 540 PTO, it works. Hydraulics are good. And we'll do it once around the tires. Got a little bit of weather checking, but they're really good tires. They'll last for years. You know, these guys leave a lot of these tractors just sit around and they get weather checking and little dry rot on them, but this was out of the hills also of southeast Ohio. And It's a gem. It's a gem of a tractor. You know, sheet metal's real straight. It's got a couple little spots, but they put car tires on the front. You don't like them? Change them. But this is another tractor that I would be proud to own and do parades or plow. It's ready to go. This thing is ready to work. Absolutely, 100%. Then you want to see here, it's even got the battery box is complete, which is unusual. So here we go. Let's fire up a little more. Give her some fuel. They've got a stop here for the governor, which I kind of like. I don't run these tractors hard, but here, technically these are supposed to be all the way revved at about half throttle, but that's it, guys. And this tractor can be yours for $3,500, and that's a steal. No smoke, tuned the way a wd45 should be tuned. Got the rear running light, but they've taken the others off. So many of these that I buy off of farms, they've taken the lights off. But anyhow, this can be yours. Vintage Tractors. I'm Steve. So long.